I'll be showing you how to make a rocket with a Gatorade and an air pump. It doesn't matter if you have a tip or not. I just use this tip because cameraman broke the other one.
I'm cameraman!
Or camera girl.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the size Gatorade bottle you need. I don't think any other size will work, and you cannot use the smallest size, this. Okay, so you stick this in here about 1 centimeter, and then you push air in, you pump the air in, and then whenever it's fully stretched like this, air comes out, so you have to be quick. Now I'll demonstrate.
And it goes very far, but if it doesn't, that means you're doing it wrong. But sometimes it'll go very far, sometimes it won't, so.
Okay, guys, remember to subscribe, like, share, and turn on post notifications. If you don't know what post notifications are, those are the little bell icon. So whenever you click the bell icon, that means you turned on post notifications. Bye.